I've fallen in love with Milwaukee tools, so I just sound like any other 37-year-old guy that builds stuff. I have this spot in my house that I have been keeping these tools in this cupboard, and it's a mess, and I want to organize it. So I thought, I'll use these pack-out wall mounting, but they're just really clunky and don't look good in a house. I started modeling my own version of this. So I got to a good place that I liked in the design. I'm modeling this in Rhino, and Rhino is just a 3D, 2D CAD modeling tool. I have a 12 gauge piece of steel that is using that weird pattern that Milwaukee uses. And so to have it made, I've been using this great service. It's called Fabworks. They're out of California, and they give you instant quoting, which is phenomenal. So I can take my pack out part here, which I've just exported as a step file, a bunch of versions of this, which is cool because I can just keep uploading different versions. Pretty much instantly, they've processed my file. I get a nice 3D view of it. So I'm going to use steel in 1008 and a 104 thickness, which is 12 gauge. And I'm going to do a white gloss powder coating. So $172. Might sound like a lot, but for one piece that is, I think it's 31 by, it says so right here, 31 by 19. It's pretty big. They also have to ship it to me. And then the kicker here, I can open it up and throw in PEM nuts. Looks like this one. And it automatically finds all of the correct holes. And if it's not the right size hole, they'll actually adjust your file to fit the part you want. So I want all these standoffs so I can, I'm going to bolt it on the backside, I think. These are automatically clinched to the metal, powder coated. It's going to look super good. Just do it all right here on this one page. What's cool about some of their other features that I love, you can like duplicate, get a quick alternative. Like maybe I want that out of aluminum. Maybe I want it like real thin, and let's skip deburring this time. And you can get an idea quickly of like two different prices. And the other thing that's great is they just out the gate let you do an expedited production, and also you can expedite your shipping. All this is really good. I've been working with Jonathan. He's been super good. I've done a lot of our own PDX CNC prototyping. I've made stuff for my house. These guys have been amazing. They ship super fast. So the parts are on the way, and Fabworks is covering the cost of these parts, and they're not paying me to say anything nice about them at all. I just love using their service. There's other ones out there too. We're in this amazing place right now in America with this kind of service where you can instantly get pricing, and sometimes I get parts sent to me before I can even get a quote from a local company. So I ordered this part on April 1st, and it arrived April 17th with just standard turnaround and standard UPS delivery. The pack-out mount plate that I had designed looked great. The PEM hardware turned out just how I had expected, and it fit perfectly in my cabinet. I don't know why it wouldn't. Here I'm drilling through kind of a pilot hole through the front side so that I can get a hole on the back side to make a clearance hole for the screw that will go through and clinch into the PEM hardware. These are just your standard cabinets from IKEA, so they're particle board and melamine faces, so that chips out really easily, and that's kind of blowing out the backside, which didn't make me super happy, but figured it would get covered up pretty well by the screw head. It also meant that I couldn't just put a screw through from the front side and expect it would hold very well, so I opted to go all the way through like this. Some pretty standard 632 by, I think they're 1.5 inch long screws, and I just had to get them lined up into the back of the PEM hardware, and when they took, it sunk right down and it felt great. With the process proved out, I just had to repeat that a few times. That isn't even talking about that they obviously do bending. This is just a weird project that doesn't have bending for me. Most do. So here's a prototype project we've been working on. It's just a pretty basic piece of bent angle steel. So obviously we pick our metals here, and let's just go with the bird. That's probably what we'd end up doing, but pricing is pretty great. I would say that Fabworks is definitely best for prototypes and quick turnaround. Like, these guys have been super quick to get stuff back from. So obviously if I wanted to add hardware or countersinks or any of those kind of things, they make that super easy too. Pretty satisfying to finally fill this up and organize it as I'd been imagining the whole time. And there's a few other elements like this 3D printed holder for our Dyson up on the right that I've made, and you can download on my Maker World if you'd like. But yeah, it fits pretty well. I'm probably going to add some other 3D printed organizers too, but so far really like it. Fits basically everything I needed and more. So happy with how this turned out. And obviously I would recommend you go try out Fabworks. They did give me a promo code, which is PDXCNC. If you use that, you can get a discount at your checkout. They did just add a tube laser, which is pretty amazing. You can also get live quoting on their website. So try them out. Let me know how it goes.